pong mga bisita, hindi bisita, mga balikbayan coming from America and Cuba.
Ay, nandiyan daw si Celso ah.
Mapunta rin dito.
Coming na.
Dito, coming.
Coming na.
Manilate, Dr. Mendoza will be late. Jean Castro will be late. Engineer Roy ka, nasa yung plano pa lamang.
And he's not coming.
About?
Busy. Busy sa
Boarding pala kasi text. Always like that. Kesa na kayo.
Si Julio ba yung nakikita ko?
Yes, Julio.
Kasi hindi mo ako sinasagot, kala ko yung stop ko eh.
Ikaw pa.
This meeting is a meeting, final meeting natin para i-finalize ang ating reunion February 19, 2021. After the meeting, you can do anything, halabalu, whatever, and birthday celebration. This meeting muna tayo ha, bago tayo mag-enjoy. So, last meeting, ang agenda was yung mga report ng committee members sa mga budget, food, facilities, equipment, venues, for dinner dance, and family day. So far, wala kayong na-finalize, but there are suggestions. Pray tayo na, or before this. Okay. So, may request natin say something for an invitation for this meeting. Salamat.